want to know how to create your own AI agent in AgentGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So just head towards agentgpt.rework.ai and you should be right here. And now, once you're here, make sure you are logged in. And once you have logged in, you should be on home by default. So right here, creating your AI agent is super simple. Just simply type in your name first, so you can just simply type in anything. Now type in a goal that you want the AI to do. So I'm just going to type in this. Now you can just simply type anything. You can make it detailed or as short as you want. And right here you can also say tools. You can just simply edit it, where you can just simply enable or disable generation, sorting and recording as well. So you can just simply do that and then select play right here. Your agent should be created in a while. And once that is done, you can simply interact with it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.